Hi guys, it's me. Today we have this brand new BMW 7 Series and we are going to give it a ceramic coating, but first we are going to polish the car in one step. A lot of you guys are asking me why does my car needs to be polished in one step. I will explain that later in this video, but first we are going to wash this car. I'm not going to be wasting too much time on the wheels. They're very clean.
I've never been exposed like this before. I'm good at shutting you out. I've always had a way of keeping closed. Beating, hiding, I've been calling out your name from the darkness, thinking it's too late. If you're finding I've been too much on your plate, I'll keep hiding, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name, calling out your name.
So easy to use because now I can just rinse it off. So right now guys, I will show you why we need to polish your car in one step. It has a bit of swirls right here. It has a tiny scratches almost everywhere, and that's not different with other cars. It doesn't matter if you're buying a cheap or a very expensive car, it's just like that. Cars just go through the car wash, or they're not washed in the right way, or They try to polish little scratches, and that's how you get holograms and swirls. So yeah, we're now going to remove it before applying the coating. So this is how they deliver the car to you. You see these swirls, holograms, little scratches. Here, I don't know if you guys can see it above my finger. Also hologram. It's for just, you know, not polishing the right way. Probably had a little scratch right here. So they try to polish it. The coatings are all done, so there's only one thing left to do, and that's applying the glass sealant. I will do it on every window, also on the sunroof, because that's what the client wants. And yeah, super easy to use. The Glaco I'm using this one just like probably every other detailer because it's just the most easy to use. So yeah, I will apply it right now. Make sure your windshield is degreased very well and just slide it open.
A few moments later.